Hi there, everybody. Roxanne Steed here. Have you heard the latest, what you call it, the latest buzzword about revenge travel? It's in HuffPost and it's all on the internet. So it's our age demographic, 50s, 60s, around that area. Um, we are wanting to fill our bucket list. We always thought we could travel at any time that we wanted. And last year showed us that, man, that's not necessarily true. So I want you to think about, maybe not look at it as revenge travel, but I have a story to tell you, and I call it my ode to joy moment, or my Moon River moment. So in 2019, I took two workshops to France through my friend Lisa Statkist, who runs a wonderful paint and tour company. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit. But on one of our the workshops, it happened to be during in the country, something that I was not aware of. We were invited to join a group for a little fête de la musique one evening. And I thought, oh, that'll be really nice. What I didn't know was there was a national tradition behind this. On the summer solstice at 8 p.m., everyone in the whole country sings Ode to Joy. Wherever you are, you just stop and you sing Ode to Joy with your whole country. So it's a pretty cool thing. So at this music festival, it was beautiful. It was a small, tiny church, and it was just this local village that got together to do this. We were way out in the country, so this tiny village met at this local church, and a beautiful old stone edifice. It was wonderful, and they had a music program for us and for their community, and we had a potluck supper with just us invited as well. So their music program, they started out with some beautiful old French choral music, and then they progressed into some American show tunes. And when they got to the song Moon River, again, our age demographic, there is something about that song that touches so many people. And some of us, we were just moved to tears. We're sitting in our seats just crying. That it was just like beautiful and wonderful, so thoughtful. And I get choked up just talking about it. And even, the ladies that were singing could see that, man, the Americans are crying. What's going on? I mean, they were kind of, I guess they were kind of taken aback. It's like, wow, we were just like so moved by this. And anyway, so the program ended, and then we all went out onto the lawn, the performers and all of us guests. And we had a big potluck. And at 8 p.m. their time, they passed around the sheet music, and we all sang Ode to Joy. And it was one of the most unexpected, wonderful, wonderful evenings, because after that song, we kept singing. One of the ladies had sheet music in French and in English. And we passed out the sheet music, and we were all singing and eating and drinking, and it was just a beautiful evening. And I wanted to share that with you because my friend Lisa Statkis that sets up that particular workshop, and she set up my October workshop in Italy this fall. I've had 3 spots come available to my Italy workshop, and I want to invite you to join us. And, with someone that lives there most of the year, in fact, she spent the whole pandemic there. She knows that area like the back of her hand, and can bring us to these wonderful opportunities where you get to know the locals. You're not doing the tour bus with 100 people. It's like you and 7 other people are going to have the time of your life. And I hope you have your Ode to Joy moment, or your Moon River moment, where you are so deeply moved, or you're touched by, so deeply that you're forever changed. So yes, it's a painting workshop, and if you're a brand new beginner, come join us. If you have a lot of experience, a lot of brush mileage under your belt, come join us. It's for all of that. But along with painting, you're not going to be just sitting around painting all the time. We're going to be out visiting beautiful sites and meeting wonderful people and having the time of our lives. So I hope you'll join us. I'm going to include a link so that you can find out more about the trip and contact me and join us. That would be so fun to have you come along. Thanks a lot. Bye.